Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. I'm doing this video from Bangkok, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Saily eSIM on your phone. So we're flying to Dubai tonight, and installing an eSIM before even your trip or arriving at the destination lets you give you access to network before you even reach the destination. So once you're at the destination, for our case, which is Dubai, then we'll have internet and network right away. So the application I'm going to be using, or the SIM card provider I'm going to be using, is Saily. There are many other SIMs on the market, but in this video we'll concentrate on Saily. So eSIM is an embedded SIM, which is kind of electronic SIM. You don't have to do any physical SIM change or anything. So that way, you're much. It's more convenient than buying a physical SIM at the destination country. So the first thing we need to do, we have to install the Saily eSIM. So what you need to do, you're going to go to Google Play, and then search for apps. And here, if I search Saily, you're going to see that I already have it because I installed it before, but I'm just showing you. So here you can see that the result is Saily, and if I open it, then this is going to open Saily. Now for you may, if this is the first time, you may need to install Saily and create an account. So now once you have the Saily app, then you're going to click on add plan, and we are looking for United Arab Emirates, which is Dubai. Now if you don't see your country here, just do a search and it's going to show up. So what you do, you click on United Arab Emirates, and you can see that there are different plans. So 7 day, 30 days, 5 gig, 10 gig, 20 gig. So for this trip, I'm going with 5 gig for 30 days. I think 3 gig is going to be a little too less. 10 gig is going to be a little too more because we are only there for 3-4 days. So I'm just going to click on 5 gig, and then if you hit continue, then it's going to take you to the next page, and here is telling to sign in or log in. And for my case, it's just log me in here, and then I'm gonna have to just make a payment right now. So I'm going to just choose credit and debit card. So I just purchased it, and here you can see that your order was successful. Check your eSIM plan. So I'm going to just click here, check my eSIM plan, and then here you can see that you have your Saily eSIM for 5 days, 30 days, and then you have to activate the eSIM. Now I'm going to click on activate and see what happens, but what it is that right now I have an eSIM from Thailand already active, so I'm going to just see if that interferes with this SIM. So I'm going to click on activate, and it says activating data plan. Now your plan is now active. Now you can see the message that to use your eSIM data, you'll need to adjust your phone setting at your destination. Okay, so what they mean that they have instructions here, but basically what they're saying is to go to your settings. So you're going to click your settings, and you're going to hit network and internet, and then here you can see that this is my Thailand SIM, and this is my another Thailand SIM, and then this is my other SIM. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, here SIMs, and let's see what option we have. So you can see that these are old SIMs, and here we have add SIMs. So what happens if I click here? Let's see what's it doing. Now here says that set up an eSIM, and at this point you have to remove the one that currently we are using, and then we have to use the Saily. So this is the reason Saily is not showing up yet, but basically these are the steps. At any point, if you have any issue, you can contact Saily's customer support, but it's very easy to install, and this is how you install Saily eSIM even before reaching your destination. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.